In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use transpose function in Excel. So this is very useful when you are converting rows to columns or columns to rows. So I'm going to show you on this quick example. So I have years and the sales per specific year. And if you want to transfer those rows into the columns, we can use this transpose function. So I'm going to select it, right click, then copy. Or you can also use Ctrl+C shortcut on keyboard. And then I'm going to select the cell where I want to paste it. And if we right click, and we are going to expand this arrow next to paste special, then you want to click on paste special. And from here, you can see transpose. So if you check it and then click OK, it's going to transpose it like this. So it's converted our rows into columns. This is how you can use transpose function to convert your rows to columns or columns to rows